Hello friends! I'm Yuji.
Hi, I'm Tawa.
And that's Sarah in the background. Okay, today we're going to draw Totoro. Yeah? Do you know what Totoro is? Totoro is from Japanese cartoon or anime. From Studio Ghibli.
Okay.
He's basically a ghost, isn't he? Or a monster? I don't know what is he?
I
don't know. No one knows. Anyway, he's cute and he's you know, everyone
He's
knows.
cuddly?
He's lovely. He's kind. Anyway, we're going to draw him. Okay? So what do we need?
Of course, a pen.
A pen, black pen, anything. Of course, A4 paper. And coloring. Any coloring you have at home. Could be anything. Okay, let's do it. Give me 5.
Okay.
Alright, let's
Bring it
on! Okay, we're gonna start with his
head.
His body.
Oh, okay.
Let's start from his body.
His mostly
Okay,
fat.
let's imagine this is his head, his ear, his body. Okay, you have to really imagine, yeah?
Now
And his arms. So okay, make sure you have a appropriate space for them. Okay. So his body is like that, very round, like that. Okay.
So what
And
is
he's a little bit chubby. Okay. So what do? And he's a little bit fluffy. So okay.
See, like this. It needs to be wobbly.
Like this, a little bit wobbly, but like make sure you don't do too much. Like this, and then you stop there. Okay, and then we have another one that's on on the other side, but basically do the same. Repeat. A little bit of hair, like a fur, and then you stop there. Okay. Next, we need his arms. It's going like this. Again, we need a little bit wobbly line. That goes like that, and then you kind of stop it towards the end, like this, and then you can do the same on the other side. Okay. Next, we need his legs. That's kind of going circle, but a little bit wobbly. Wobbly circle, facing inward. Wobbly circle, another wobbly circle on the right hand side. Wobbly. Okay, now we need to add a little more details. Okay, we can probably connect on the bottom. Well, yours is already connected. Okay, I'm just gonna connect these 2 lines with a little bit of wobbly lines. Okay, so we need to draw his clothes. Yep. He's got 3 clothes.
No, not clothes. Claws.
Oh, claws, okay.
What are you doing?
Got 3 claws. Like that.
Oh yeah.
Like that. Okay. And then we just need to draw a circle.
A big.
No, small circle. Just basically his bottom of his legs.
Mine's
Like
looks
that.
a little bit fat.
Okay, now we need clothes, yeah, clothes on his arms as well.
Not clothes, claw.
Clothes.
Looks like whatever.
Like that. 1,
2, 3. Mostly sharp.
Okay, 1.
Do you know why he has some sharp nails?
I don't know. I guess he's a monster. It's meant to be
It's
mostly.
mostly
Okay.
creepy.
Okay. And next we need another half circle on his tummy like this.
Okay.
A little bit of wobbly again because it's still fluffy, 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 fluffy like that. Okay. Okay, now we need, this is very important, we need, okay, he's got
His head?
his head, he's got whisk happening as well. So we have to make sure we've got space for his whisk. Okay, what do we need? We need, why don't we start from his whisk?
Like that, I think.
Okay, just 3, 1,
Oopsies.
2. Okay, you can just do like this. 3. The other hand. 1.
It takes a long time to draw this.
2. 3.
It takes a lot of time to draw
Yes.
4 things with 1.
Okay, next his head. And then make sure you leave some space for his ears.
Oh yeah, he does have ears. Where you can? Oh, there it is.
Okay.
Very spiky.
And then on top of his head, it's basically just curve. And he's got very unique ear, which goes zigzag, zigzag, zig, zigzag, zigzag, zig, and then kind of like a rabbit ear going upwards. Whee, like that. Okay, same one, zigzag, zigzag, zig, and then like a leaf shaped.
One looks so creepy. I mean, that one looks so creepy.
Okay. What do we need next?
His eyes. His eyes look so creepy.
Eyes is like, wow, wide open. Basically,
Can't
circle. 2 circles.
His eyeball's quite big than I thought it was.
Yes. And then eyeball, pupil in the middle. And he's smiling.
It's mostly.
You're too fast. Can you please wait?
I'm too good at this. Looks easy better.
Can you wait for me, please? Okay, and then his nose, which is in between his eyes, and it's kind of triangle shaped, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
You can fill it up. Fill it in. And then lastly, this is not last. His mouth.
Oh yeah.
His mouth is smiling like this. He doesn't really talk, does he? He's just either smiling or he's just there with umbrella.
But when it's raining, but he lives somewhere that is so good.
Yeah.
There's
Fly,
lots of. He has families like this little one. He can be invisible sometimes.
Yeah.
And next, we're gonna draw his tummy
His
thing.
tummy pattern. I don't know what it is.
It
but
looks
it's
like a boomerang.
Exactly. Do you want to watch first?
I think it's
Do you want to watch first?
It looks like a square mostly.
And then 3 of them on the top. On the bottom, there are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And that's mostly it.
And they're all sort of triangle, kind of boomerang shaped.
Whoa, not a boomerang. It's a boom.
A boomerang.
It's really hard to say a
Oh,
boomerang.
you could be my English teacher. Okay, that's pretty much it
Pretty much it. Yeah.
for the black and or black and white version, and we're going to color it.
Yeah, and this one's full black as well.
Well, it's not black. It's more I don't know what, like grey.
Oh, grey.
Okay, fast forward. Okay, we've done coloring. Okay, that looks Totoro. That's very much Totoro that we know. Oh, that's cute. Looks a bit more like an owl.
Yeah.
No, that's Totoro. Okay, did you have fun today? Okay, give me 5. Alright, if you like watching this, make sure you subscribe to our channel. What's our channel called? Art?
Oh, Art Kids Factory.
Okay, we're gonna keep drawing a lot of cool Japanese characters. Make sure you're gonna watch next one and subscribe and see you next time. Thanks for watching.
Yes, thanks.
Ooh, I'm Totoro. Oh, that sounds like Mario. I'm Totoro. I'm Totoro.
Mario.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.